Hello, it's Miss Kaufman. In speech this week, you are going to work on practicing following directions, just like you would do if we were at school doing speech or if you were in the classroom. So we're going to start by talking about what it means to follow a direction, why it's important, and then we're going to talk about the words before and after. So when you're at school and your teacher gives you a direction, it's important for you to listen to the entire thing so that you know what you need to do first, what you might need to do after that, and everything that you need to do to complete what your teacher asked you to do. When teachers give directions, sometimes they use the words before and after. Like before you go outside, you need to finish your work. Or after you go to the restroom, you need to come back and do your math. So today you are going to work on some before and after directions. And so we're going to talk about what they mean, and then we're going to do two examples together before you get started. So when we're talking about the word before, that just means that it's the first thing that you need to do. You need to do the direction before you do something else. You need to do it first. And then after means it's the last thing that you do. So that's an easy way to remember. Before means first, after means last or next. So in this first direction, we have before you color the fly, color the frog. What does that word before mean? That's right. Before means that it's the first thing that you do. So before you color the fly, you need to color the frog. So the first thing that you're going to do is color the frog. So you would either color this if you have it printed out, or if you're just doing this on the computer, you can just point to the frog. And then after you color the frog, you're going to color the fly, because the direction said before you color the fly. So first you need to color the frog before you color the fly. Now let's talk about an after direction. After you color the log, color the girl. What does the word after mean? That's right, after means it's the last thing that you do. So when we're looking at the direction, we can split it in two. So it says after you color the log, color the girl. So this means that the first thing that you need to do is color the log, then you need to color the girl. So you would first color the log right here, and then after you do that, you would color the girl. All right, nice job. Thanks for following along. Now it's your turn to keep going. In this activity, you have many different directions. If you need some help, you can have your helper read it to you, and then do the direction and really pay attention to those words before and after.